Welcome to my channel Living Linux. I'm happy to announce that I have a new sponsor, Geniatech, and they have sent me the XPI-3566-ZERO, which is a competitor to the Raspberry Pi Zero 2. But as the 3566 already gives the hint that this one uses the Rockchip RK3566, and that one uses the newer A55 cores, as the Raspberry Pi Zero 2 uses the older A53 cores. So this one should be faster than the Raspberry Pi Zero 2. So the first thing we do is that we start the unboxing. Okay, so they've packed it very thoroughly, and actually the package is a bit bigger than I expected, because the Zero form factor is quite small. Okay, so now we get to the actual box. So as you can see, it's a very small single board computer. This is mini HDMI. Those are USB Type-C ports. I think this is video output. So beneath here is the Rockchip RK3566, and I think, well, at least one of them is the memory. I'm guessing that one, and I think the other one is the wireless chip for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and I think this is the eMMC. So it looks like they've included a USB-A to USB Type-C power cable. We have, looks like a power supply, and this is the European power plug. Okay, you can just click it in there. This looks like the wireless antenna. So let's see. Ah yeah, I think that one goes there. It's a bit too tiny to do it right now. So, and of course GPIO. So I think one of the differences is that you don't have a micro SD slot, so you have to do everything on the eMMC. Well, usually eMMC is well, most of the times faster than at least the cheaper micro SD cards, and usually they also last a bit longer. So now I'll try to set things up just to do a quick boot and see if it works. So I'll see you after the break. So I've done a little bit of testing and I wasn't able to get it powered on with a USB Type-C power delivery power supply. So it looks like it's better to use the power supply that they deliver it with, or let's just say any cheap old USB power supply. You can power it from either USB Type-C port. So if we power it on, you can see a red light and a blue LED light, and it starts Debian. And here is the desktop. So this was just the unboxing. So I'm going to do some testing on this Debian image, and that will probably my next video. So this is all for now, and hope to see you again in my next video.